I'm ready to plan for my finances, but I do not know where to start. Every time I approach a financial planner friend, I'm always hard sold a policy. So how do I get started with planning of my finances? In this video, I'm going to share with you my 5-step process on how I usually plan for my clients' finances and how you can implement this as well. This video is going to be the first out of a 5-part video series where I'm going to talk about speed financial planning, SPEED. And in this first video, I'm going to share with you about S, called self-awareness. Self-awareness just means being aware of where you're at financially in your life, in the current moment. Here's one tip: see yourself as like the CEO of your own company. Here are 3 things you need to keep track of. The first one is your income statement or your cash flow statement. Here's an example of how it will look like. The name suggests it tracks your income and your expenses. The second thing you need to take note of is the balance sheet or your net worth statement. This tracks your assets and liabilities. Assets are like your cash savings, your investments, and your properties. Liabilities are like your housing loans, credit card loans, and student loans. The third thing you need to keep track of is your existing insurance policies. You can either create an Excel sheet by yourself or you can ask your trusted financial advisor to create a report for you. Basically, it consolidates all your policy details into one place. Now, to keep track of all these 3 things, you can either do it through an Excel sheet or through a mobile app. I will put the link in the description box below where you can download the Excel sheet for free, as well as the link to the mobile app me and my clients personally use to keep track of our policy details. I'll also put some links in the description box where I will share a couple of apps that I feel it is good for you to track your income and your expenses, which I think might be beneficial to you. This is the end of part 1 of the 5 video series that I came out for you, and stay tuned for the next part where I talk about P of the speed financial planning. If you have any other recommendations to consolidate all your policies or your finances in an app or an Excel sheet or whatever tool you're using, feel free to comment them down below. We can all learn from each other. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, remember to click the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.